Let's start with some easy circles. And some figure eights. And another figure eight. And a circle on the hip. And the other side. So it should be coming back to you from the sensual belly dance video. We can use all of the movements for the accordion taksim. Some camels, standing camels. And a big circle with some arms. And we'll finish here. And another. A nice figure eight. Camel to the side. And camel to the side. And figure eight. And a nice African circle. And continue. And the camel in place. And a little twist of the hip. And a twist of the hip. And this twist movement. So let's look at the taksim of another belly. We'll start to move. We'll add a little bit more movement, but we'll do it together and I'll talk you through it. So we just change the pace. We syncopate our figure eights. Big hip circle. And let's not repeat it. Let's do something different on this side. With this hip. We can repeat that to the other side. And this little push step. And maybe a camel in a circle. Should be coming back to you. Figure eights. And some little circles with the hips. And this twist from over. It's very nice with the music. You can just twist the hips and into an African circle. With some syncopation. And some camels back in 3,